Everybody, welcome to Visual Communication and Media. My name is Adam Rozeski. It's good to see each and every one of you. So excited! We're at the end of week 5. Two more days to go. Saturday and Sunday. Sorry I couldn't get this message out Friday. A little busy yesterday. However, we're going to get it out today and kind of help you with your assignment a little bit. Since we're going to talk a lot about, since your assignment focuses a lot on ethos, logos, and pathos, and same thing with your discussion assignment. I figured we'd focus on that a little bit for your second announcement and really go into detail there. So, just a couple quick announcements. We literally only have about a week left in the course because remember, next week the course ends on Friday. So if you're missing any assignments or want to upgrade a grade or anything along that lines, let me know and I'll go through everything and have everything updated for you as best as I can and as fast as possible. So that way you get the best grade you can. Other than that, let's get into it. So, just a couple other things too. Your reply post is due tonight. If you don't have your initial post, please turn that in as well. And then you also have your Module 5 assignment, your live lecture due tomorrow night. And then remember, only 5 days for next week. So class ends on Friday. So if you don't have anything in by Friday, I cannot grade it. So that's a big thing right there. So, all right, cool. Let's get into it. Okie dokie. All right, so let's get started. So just give everybody a heads up, we're going to get into the last part of emotional communication. We kind of tie into persuasion and how persuasion ties in with a lot of different visual techniques. And so let's talk about ethos, logos, and pathos and how they kind of play a part with this. So a lot of visuals, a lot of times when they use ethos is defined as one's credibility. And establishing credibility allows your audience to trust the message being presented. And credibility can be established through someone's reputation, career, certifications, word of mouth. That's why when you see like a really famous person that's tied to an advertisement, they can be credible because their work is very good, right? Or they do something that's right. And using a source of credibility can help persuade audiences. So, for example, even though Superman's a fictional character, he's super strong, right? So he's credible of being strong. So when you put him in the Got Milk advertisement, he can, if he drinks milk and he gets strong, of course, we should do the same thing as well. So ethos ties into the person's or that one aspect that makes it credible and makes it a little bit more believable in the advertisement. Now, logos is a little different. Logos is a second persuasive element, uses logic. Once credibility is established, the argument presented must also make sense. And to be logical, any argument is centered around the ability to draw to conclusions from the information present. Conclusions are based on concise, straightforward information such as facts, statistics, graphs, charts, and data. We tend to see these a lot in like medical advertisements, especially for like dentists. If you notice, like if it's like toothpaste and you see Crest or you see Colgate or some type of like dental hygiene, they'll say like 9 out of 10 dentists recommend this. Or they'll show data or graphs to really prove how effective it is. A lot of times also you can see commercials that have like an A/B comparison or results or research data. That's using logos. When you see advertisements or visuals that use data or research or comparisons or some type of fact to back up their reasoning, that's using logos to establish credibility within the advertisement. So unlike using a person like ethos does, logos uses data and research to focus on making sure they can persuade you to buy what they need or get what they need out of that. And finally, pathos. Pathos, we've seen this a lot in like animal rights activist commercials or anything that has like a charity or helping people that's in trouble. Pathos is the final appeal. And this is focused on emotion. And emotion is a persuasive appeal that captures our attention and engages the audience in a lot of different ways. Pathos most often plays to our senses, memories, and experiences, and it is a means of connecting with the audience verbally or visually, and it's quite powerful. Like putting the sad child on the UNICEF advertisement to get you to support and donate to their cause, that's a huge aspect right there. So those pieces of the puzzle are right there. Other than that, so we talked about ethos, where ethos uses credible source, like a person that's good at what they do or good that uses the item very well. That's ethos. Logos uses logic, where they use data and research. Pathos plays with emotion, and they'll trigger your emotion based upon your experiences. So, yeah, 3 visual techniques that we see in the visuals to help you persuade you to buy, sell, or convince you to do something in a visual advertisement. And that's pretty important. All right, Other than that, just figured I'd go over those 3 concepts real quick. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. I finished most of the grading. There were some problems with like 10 discussions or so on week 5. I was still having that same issue. I think it's my computer. It's really causing problems, or the upload on my server. But I'll get those finished by tonight, and that way you have everything good. But all your written assignments are graded. And I think it's just a few discussions that really kind of get held off. But other than that, everything should be pretty much caught up on grades. I'll go over this weekend to see if anybody submitted any secondary versions and have those done hopefully by Monday. That'd be great. If not, they'll be upgraded by Tuesday because I'm off from my actual job on Tuesday. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, thanks for being amazing. You guys are wonderful. If you have any aspects, please let me know. But that's all I got. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week, and hope to see y'all a little bit later. All right, take it easy. Bye-bye.